Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, The Mighty Indexers, and in today's video we are taking a look at Roblox Corporation. This is a company that makes 3D video games. People play games on it, they can make games on it, they have special in-game currency, and this stock went public back in March of 2021. Looking at the day for July 31st, it's down 27% almost. Looks like they didn't have a stellar earnings report. EPS is negative at $1.57. And in today's video, we will be taking a closer look at the performance of Roblox Corporation. So this was a very popular company back when it went public. Back when I used to work retail, we used to hear all about this. You know, people were coming in for the Roblox cards, and they went, like I said, they went public back in March of 2021. The stock performance has been abysmal. You can see it is down 48.92% in the last 5 years and some change. So anyone who's been holding this has been losing money, unfortunately. Now the chart doesn't show you the whole day until July 31st. The 1 year chart does, and it's down 72% on the 1 year chart. The 5 year chart, it's a little bit less messy, 42%, and when you hit max, it is down 34%. More like 50% though, because like I said, it doesn't update. It only goes to July 24th. If it hit July 31st, it would be right around the halfway mark. Now, taking a look at the financials for this company, like I said, their EPS is negative. And when you go and you look at their annual numbers, you can see their revenue is increasing. However, their net income is negative, and it's increasing on the negative side of things as well. Net income is a negative $1 billion for 2025. So yeah, revenue's up, net income is still negative. So they're not inching towards earnings per share positivity. And we will also take a look at the earnings estimates on Seeking Alpha next up. So when we go over there, we'll be seeing that the earnings estimates per share are also negative, unfortunately. And this company has a lot of hype to it, guys. So, any bad earnings report, anything that doesn't, hit a home run, you're looking at the stock going down, unfortunately. So as you can see, the earnings estimates are negative for the forward guidance. And when you look at a good index fund like QQQ back in 2021 March, you would be up a massive 118%, doing nothing but just buying and holding an index fund. Not even timing it, none of that kind of stuff. But you can't time any of this. So I recommend for any Roblox investor, cut your loss, buy a good quality index fund, and learn your lesson. You can't expect to make money in the market buying individual companies that are hyped up. It doesn't end well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys have any questions, leave it down below. Hopefully this company recovers, but it does not look that way. And I do think that in the next 10 years, QQQ will still outperform Roblox if they're still publicly traded on the market. Anything can happen, in terms of companies getting taken out. So let's see what happens in the end if it's still here in 10 years from now. Probably won't outperform QQQ though. Anyways, folks, hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions.